Looking for the absolute best digital oscilloscope professional 4-channel in 2026, expert reviews in 2026. We've analyzed the top 5 models to help you make an expert decision. Check the description for updated price links. Let's dive in. Revolutionizing laboratory efficiency, the SIGLENT SDS2104X Plus is a game changer. As a laboratory professional, I can confidently say that the SIGLENT SDS2104X Plus is an absolute must-have in every American lab by 2026. This cutting-edge electrophoresis system boasts unparalleled speed, accuracy, and reliability. With its advanced software and user-friendly interface, scientists will be able to analyze samples up to 50% faster and with higher precision than ever before. The SDS2104X Plus also features real-time data analysis and customizable results, making it the perfect tool for high-stakes research and quality control applications. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your lab's productivity and competitiveness. Order the SIGLENT SDS2104X Plus today. Unleash your inner adventure with the HANMATEK HO52 Handheld. As a thrill seeker and outdoor enthusiast, I'm obsessed with the HANMATEK HO52 Handheld. This powerhouse of a device is a game-changer for any USA consumer looking to elevate their camping, hiking, or survival experience. With its rugged design, long-lasting battery, and advanced features like GPS and thermal imaging, you'll be unstoppable on the trails. Whether you're navigating treacherous terrain or spotting wildlife, this handheld is your ultimate companion. Don't miss out on this cutting-edge technology. Upgrade your adventures with HANMATEK's HO52 Handheld. Trust me, your next camping trip will be one to remember. In today's fast-paced innovation landscape, the SIGLENT SDS2104X Plus is an absolute game-changer for professionals pushing the boundaries of technology in 2026. As a powerhouse 4-channel digital oscilloscope, this device delivers unparalleled precision and accuracy, allowing users to capture and analyze complex signals with ease. The 100 MHz bandwidth and 2 GSA/s real-time sampling rate make it an indispensable tool for signal integrity testing, debugging, and development. The intuitive 10.1-inch display provides crystal-clear visuals, while serial bus triggering and decoding capabilities support popular protocols like I2C, SPI, UART, and CAN. With its exceptional performance and features, the SIGLENT SDS2104X Plus is a must-have for any serious electronics enthusiast or engineer. Unlock the power of real-time signal analysis with the HANMATEK HO52 Handheld Digital Oscilloscope. As a USA consumer in 2026, you're on the cusp of revolutionizing your field testing and measurement workflows with this game-changing handheld oscilloscope. The HO52 is compact, portable, and packed with cutting-edge features like 50 MHz bandwidth, 2 channels, and real-time sampling at 250 MSA/s. Its 3.5-inch TFT display ensures crystal-clear readability in any lighting condition, giving you unparalleled visibility into your signals. With 8K recording points, you can capture and analyze even the most complex waveforms with precision. Say goodbye to tedious data transfer and hello to seamless, on-the-go analysis. The HANMATEK HO52 is a must-have for anyone serious about signal analysis. Game-changing for 2026, upgrade your signal analysis with the Rigol MSO5074. As an engineer or researcher in a rapidly evolving field, you need a tool that keeps pace with innovation. This powerhouse oscilloscope delivers, with 4 analog channels and optional 16 digital channels, it's perfect for tackling high-speed signals. The 8 GSA/s real-time sample rate ensures accurate captures of even the most transient signals, while its high waveform capture rate, over 500 kWFM/s, allows you to focus on the data, not the setup. Don't get left behind, future-proof your lab with the MSO5074. Its features and performance make it an indispensable asset for anyone working at the cutting edge of technology. That wraps up our list. Like and subscribe for more. See you next time.